If you're looking to soften and improve the appearance of your skin, just like the ancient Egyptians did, then chemical peels are the perfect choice. Hi, it's Jolanta Markovic here from SCA Clinic, where we focus on numerous medical and beauty services. Chemical peels are suitable for most areas of the body, depending on type and strength of the chemical solution. This treatment is great for improving rough skin texture, fine lines and wrinkles, acne, scars, and many more. As with most of our treatments, a consultation will be needed, after which a peel can take up to 40 minutes. Follow us online for useful tips and call or email to book a consultation. We look forward to seeing you.